Hey guys, George here. I'm back with a should I call this a gaming video or sound video? I'm gonna I'll think about it, and if you guys just choose which one, and I'll call it again next time when I do this another same video. I'm doing sound tests for like my reviewing videos, running sessions, you know. And I hope these things are not copyrighted. This is my first time looking at this particular app. It looks pretty sick. Let's try horn, the diesel horn. Oh, this is actually kind of good. Okay, so this one was pretty good. Let's try the steam locomotive. Oh, dude, this is nice. Like, if you want to ring normally, or because... Alright, that's good. Oh, dude, this is good! I like this! I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can listen, and let me know if you guys like it. That is really good. I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can listen for it a little more. And yes, they actually give you definitions for which rope is which. This one's the bell. And this one's the whistle. Everybody knows which. I think I remember because I've been watching like documentaries. These guys reviewed it, restored this locomotive at a park, I think. Let me guys know if you guys, any of my fans, are rail fans and know this locomotive. And I believe it's in Snellville. I don't know which Snellville. If you guys can tell me, is it in Snellville, Georgia, or any part or anywhere in the other states? So this app was cool. Make sure to rate this one. It's called Whistle Sim. Make sure to rate it in the comment section below. Whistle Sim. Just an ad, everybody, just an ad! Okay. That sucks. Well, let's press this. Oh, dude. Let's try these. Maybe. Oh, I like this one. I like this one a lot. I'll read you guys back. Alright, let's try it. That sounds really nice. Oh, well, he does distance, not like different sounding of horns. Alright. Okay, guys, this one. Train whistle. Rate it in the comments. This one I've already used. It's called Train Horn, and it has like steam, diesel, crossing, trains that are passing by, bells, people, the conductor on passenger trains, modern locos, and I believe in Canada. Okay, let's try each one. I'll do 3 each from each one and see how that would work. I know these two do not count, but I'll use them anyway because these do not like go to many other things. But from the horn to steam, crossing, bells, modern, and New England. Alright, my favorite one is basically this one. If you guys don't know what that one's from, if you don't, it almost sounds like if you're Japanese and you watch Galaxy Railways. It's an anime where there's trains that fly in space. I know, pretty weird. So there's just basically if you guys know the CGI version of Thomas and Friends, there's this one that's, there's this locomotive in Thomas and Friends named Hero, number 51. He's from China. So he's basically this locomotive from Galaxy Railways, Galaxy Express number 999. And this is exact whistle. And if you guys already heard when I read my message, you heard this whistle. I would maybe use that with my European locos, possibly this one as well. Alright, next! Alright. Oh, I know this horn. I really like this one. That sounds really good. This one right here is also one of my favorites. It sounds like a Conrail, an old one. Alright. Alright. This one I also kinda... Is it? Which one was it? Ah, it's this one. It sounds like a Canadian National mixed with a CSX horn. And this one is also cool. Now we're up for the crossings. And if you guys want to know, this bell right here has a whistle with it, so you're going to possibly hear that one when I do like another steam locomotive or something like that. It almost sounds like 1255's whistle and bell. It's this bell right here. This one. Sounds like Shunter number 3 at the Southern Railway Museum. Make sure to check them out. They're really cool. They do a summer camp, and I think they're doing it this year. Sadly, I cannot do it anymore. I've done it 5 times. 5 times. Modern. I like this one. Sounds like a real CSX looking because it has a CSX picture on it. I think they're all CSX locos. This one? No, not that one. Wait. It's this one. That sounds like also an old Conrail. I think but from the 1990s, the one that I showed before was I believe in the 1980s? Or Penn Central. I don't know. And this one, I like this one. This also sounds like an old CSX. Wait, that reminds me. I have a CSX. Wait, I do have a CSX. Let me make a teleport. There it is. But this locomotive will be for another video. It's gone. Okay, guys. That's this one. Train horns. Rate it in the comments. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to rate Train Sim. Hold on. Make sure to rate Whistle Sim. I almost said Train Sim, which I already did, but I'm reading Whistle Sim, Train Whistle, and Train Horn. If you want to know what these look like in an app store, I will show you right now. Train Sim looks like that. Whistle Sim, Train Whistle looks like that. And Train Horn looks like that. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.